What's up, YouTube? Man, back with another one. Don't mind my mess, man. This is all my parts. That's what I be laying on working. Right today, man, what I'm doing is putting all my suspension and stuff work. Doing all of that. My brakes. But I'm gonna show y'all what I've done so far. What I completed on this build. Out with the old, in with the new. Got rid of these tubular A-arms. I got rid of all that, man. I'll show y'all what the Nova looking like now. Yep. Tubular A-arms. I gotta fix that. This is for camber. For your camber wheel alignment. I'm gonna fix all of that when I get to school. I'm gonna take it to school and do a wheel alignment. But let me show y'all what these coilovers look like. Let me show y'all the ride height. I had to do some adjusting, man. That shit took so long. I'm sore from doing this front suspension. Man, I'm so sore. But let me show y'all what it looks like underneath the car. There you go. Hold on. There we go, y'all. Let's see. Okay. Viking coilovers. Tubular A-arms. Same on the other side. Got the new rebuilt trans. Right now I'm putting the back shocks on. But anyway, both sides look the same. I'm gonna show y'all the ride height on the other on the driver's side. This is what I use right here to adjust the ride height. But it take a while, man. Cause you gotta, when you install it, they gotta the springs gotta be all the way down. Then you gotta adjust the ride height after you install it. Well, I don't know. You might can adjust it before you install it. I just adjusted it after I installed it. But we go to the other side. Go to the other side. Yeah, tubular A-arms. I hadn't took it for no test drive yet because I gotta put some brakes on here. Got the wheels off. I'm gonna put these brakes on. I'm just looking for some bolts for these wheel cylinders. Actually, I bought some more, man, because these things look messed up. Wait a minute. I don't even know if I can use these no more. This don't make no sense. These things is shot. Look at that. I don't know. Set these up here. But anyway, I gotta put these. Do I got some bolts in there? I don't think I even need no bolts for these. That's why I started that from the back. Went and got some bolts. That look pretty good in that, don't it? Nice Viking shocks. Double adjustable. Alright, man, y'all stay tuned in. I might make this a double video.
I don't care if he outside. Johnson, we gotta get the spot for the store.
I heard you.
ASAP. See what he doing. He comfortable to come out here because one of us out here.
That's fine if I'm out here.
Well, I don't want, you want him to come out here?
Yeah, he needs to start coming out here, but he needs to learn not to put shit. Okay, y'all, we got part of it. We gotta disconnect it. I'm gonna sit this over here somewhere out the way. Let's see what one of these look like. See if it'll fit. See if it'll fit in this Nova the way we want it to be. Let me get this out of here, y'all. It's the light right here. I think I'm gonna have to cut that, man. I'm looking at it right now. Y'all see how that look? I got a Dremel. I'm gonna get my Dremel and cut around that, because this right here has to fit around it like that. And I got glasses, man. I gotta have some light. This seems like that'll be a good. So let me get my Dremel set up. I'm gonna cut this, man. I'm gonna cut that. Yeah, I'm all over the place with this build, but the rear end, I'm finna deal with that later. This right here, I'm finna get started on this, because this seemed like the easiest. But Monday, I'm gonna start back on that rear end and putting them brakes and shit together. My body need a rest after that front end. So, y'all give me a second, man. Let me unscrew this up. Garage is back a mess. I've been installing all the little I've been doing some modifications to the Nova. Put tubular A-arms and coilovers in the front. And I'm gonna show y'all up underneath. I put some halo lights in here. Change colors. I'm gonna show y'all underneath the front end. Let me get these parts out the car. Alright, let me show y'all what the Nova got, man. Let me show y'all what's going on up underneath here. Yeah. Viking coilovers, upper and lower control arms on both sides. I'll show y'all the other side some other time. This is what I was doing all weekend, putting these on and adjusting the ride height. So now we got the rear end jacked up, and we got the tires off, and I got a one shock installed on the back. I gotta do the other side. Let's get a little closer so I can show y'all. That's a plastic light, by the way. It ain't gonna break. Okay. Damn, the light went off on it. Let's see. Okay, you guys. I had one to go get some bolts for this shock. But shit, I gotta just tighten it up. But we're gonna get these axles out. This is a '69 Camaro rear end. See, we got new races and everything up in there. If y'all can see that. Let me see. If we can zoom in. I'll show y'all once I get it loose. So we're gonna drain this fluid. See me over that way. Yeah, I'm gonna drain this fluid. Let me get down here in a comfortable spot. Stands under here, just to let y'all know that a lot of people be in the comment section like, do you got jack stand? Yeah, I got that. Yep. Jack stands is I'm still gonna put one right here now. Just to have it right here, we'll put it on the side over here. Just in case. That rear end is big. God damn, that motherfucker. Let y'all look at it here. This rear end is huge. Definitely gonna be able to hold that power. Tell you that. Man, we can have fun with this build. Let me let y'all look at this rear end from my side. Look at that, man. Shit, that damn near look like a 4.9 inch to me. Alright, let me get this grease going. I mean, this shit leaking. We got it all. Y'all see, this is the 373 gears and a brand new posi. Okay, all we need to do is just take that middle thing out, that little bar up in there, and pull the axles out a little bit. We'll pull them all the way out. Let's see if we can turn this thing. And I'm gonna have to put it in gear. Alright, I'll be right back with y'all. Let me go put it in gear. Alright, y'all. We got it all almost all the way out. Put some different gloves on. Oh, my hands all dirty. If y'all here for the first time, man, I appreciate it if y'all like, share, subscribe to this video. Once this rear end get done, only way is up. This up out of here. This thing's so slippery, man. Thing brand new, it's so slippery. I'm gonna have to get a needle or something to get this, pull this out. Let me see what I got. I have to grab some pliers or something. Hey, we got it out, y'all. Oh, did y'all see that? Well, we got it out. I'm gonna leave that sitting right there. for it to come out now, y'all. Yeah, I think it's better now. Alright, we got it out. Okay, let's pull these axles out. Okay, you guys, tomorrow I'll be installing the backing plates and all that, man. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm out. Peace.